Okay, so the super heavy duty coat hangers called Arnie coat hangers from grip-puppy.com, available through sporttouring.com, has prompted me to have a bit of a sort out of the motorcycle gear cupboard. The first things I've got in here are a set of two-piece leathers. So they are on the Arnie coat hanger, super heavy duty coat hanger, as are the textiles with all the trousers and an airbag jacket. So, beautiful. Now to get the rest of the stuff in. There, sorted. Not a bad effort. The two heaviest pieces of clothing, the two pieces, textiles and leathers, on the Arnie coat hangers. And we've got leather jacket at the back, rucksacks, get me all tidy. Slight curveball though, just been told by the boss that I need to leave room for some horse riding clobber. So yeah, I think that little bit in the corner should do, hopefully. We'll see. Okay, so we are in a horse arena in deepest, darkest Lincolnshire, and we're here today to test these coat hangers. So we've got 30 kilograms, actually it's 32 kilograms of weight, and a couple of coat hangers here, the Arnie extra heavy duty coat hangers from Grip Puppy, available through sporttouring.com. And we're going to test these. So it looks like rain, and we're lifting 32 kilograms with a couple of coat hangers. What could possibly go wrong? Let's give it a whirl. Right, so as I said, we've got 32 kilograms worth of weight here and coat hangers. So, risk assessment, bend your legs, watch your back. Let's see if these coat hangers can lift this. Well, it has done without any problems. Not going to embarrass myself by repping on the video, but I am going to stand here for a couple of seconds talking. I can't feel anything giving way, so that's pretty good. So that's 32 kilograms on here, but that's two coat hangers. Let's try one. Right, this is going to be fun, so I've got to get this exactly right, otherwise it's going to be to and fro it. So here we go. I'm going to try it right in the middle. I'm going to lift that up. I've got a bit of a lean on here, but it's holding it. By the feel of it, I think my back is going to give way before the coat hanger. Okay, so that's a success. Well done. Right, so we've just lifted 32 kilograms with one of these. 32 kilograms. And what is quite interesting, these are strong enough, allegedly, to lift 60 kilograms. When I say lift 60 kilograms, should I say support 60 kilograms. Not that a one-piece set of leathers, two-piece set of leathers, textiles are going to weigh 60 kg, but it's reassuring to know that these will more than do the trick.